This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check ashwagandha powder. It's essential to ensure your powder is authentic to receive its full health benefits. Unfortunately, many products on the market are adulterated with cheaper ingredients, reducing their effectiveness. By learning a few simple verification methods, you can confidently identify high-quality ashwagandha. We'll walk through easy steps you can perform right at home to assess your powder's purity and potency. First, let's examine the powder visually. Genuine ashwagandha powder usually presents a light tan to brownish color. It should feel fine and consistent to the touch, without any grittiness or large clumps. Be wary of powders that appear too bright, dark, or inconsistent in color. Also, carefully inspect for any foreign particles, such as stems, leaves, or other plant matter, which can indicate adulteration. A uniform appearance is a good sign of quality. Next, engage your senses. Authentic ashwagandha powder possesses a unique, earthy aroma, often described as slightly bitter or even like a horse. Take a very small pinch and taste it. It should have an earthy, bitter, and sometimes pungent flavor that lingers. Finally, try the water test. Mix about 1/4 teaspoon of powder into a glass of plain water. Pure ashwagandha should disperse evenly, forming a relatively uniform suspension, without quickly settling or forming large clumps. For the most reliable verification, check the product's label for its withanolide content. High-quality ashwagandha extracts are often standardized to contain at least 5% to 5% withanolides, which are the active compounds. Always prioritize brands that provide third-party lab testing results, confirming purity, potency, and the absence of heavy metals or contaminants. This ensures you're getting a safe and effective product. And speaking of staying healthy, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.